Hi, welcome back to the Sunbelt Rentals Workshop. Today we're going to go over how to use a 2400 PSI gas pressure washer. The 2400 PSI gas pressure washer offers a powerful cleaning solution for a range of residential and commercial projects. Now before we jump in, let's review some very important safety instructions. To protect yourself, you should wear safety glasses, protective footwear, ear protection, and gloves. PSI stands for pounds per square inch, or the amount of force applied to the surface you are cleaning. If your job calls for a more powerful force, you can rent 3500 PSI, 4500 PSI, or 5000 PSI pressure washers. Both the 2400 PSI and the 3500 PSI are ideal for cleaning wood decks and siding, while the more powerful 4500 PSI and 5000 PSI are better suited for cleaning concrete and brick. Each unit comes with a high-pressure hose, a wand, and a selection of tips. You can add additional accessories such as a garden hose, an extra 50 feet of high-pressure hose, and an extension wand if needed. Make sure the pressure washer is safely positioned on a flat surface. Connect one end of a garden hose to the pressure washer and the other end to your water source. Also, connect the high-pressure hose that comes with the pressure washer. Attach the gun to the hose and make sure it snaps into place.
You will need to select the correct tip to use for your project. They are color-coded white, green, yellow, red, and black. The colors indicate the degree of the fan when sprayed.
Pull back the collar on the gun and wand assembly to install a tip. Attach the nozzle and then release the collar, making sure it snaps into place. Turn on your water source. The washer and hose will fill with water, so it's important to release excess air before starting the unit. Squeeze the trigger on the gun to release the air. Turn the on-off switch to the on position. Make sure the fuel valve is in the open position. Next, move the choke to the closed position. When you are ready to begin cleaning, squeeze the trigger to release the pressure. While squeezing the trigger, pull the cord to start. Move the choke to the open position. You are ready to use the pressure washer. Remember, you need to be approximately 12 inches from the surface to be most effective. When you're done, turn the engine switch to the off position. Squeeze the trigger to release the pressure. Turn off the water supply. Remove the nozzle, then disconnect the high pressure hose and garden hose. Once dry, pack up the pressure washer and hoses and return them to your local Sunbelt Rentals location.
So that's it for the 2400 PSI gas pressure washer. If you need additional assistance, check the operational manual or call 844-SBR-TOOL. You can rent this and thousands of other tools and equipment in-store, online, or in-app at Sunbelt Rentals. Thank you so much for watching. Come back and see us again for your next job or project.